If you want to free up storage on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is you can go to Settings, we're gonna proceed to About Phone, and then in here we should be able to find the storage option. We can actually tap over here in order to open the information about the storage. And there we go. In here we can of course see the data, how much data is used by specific categories. So if you feel like some specific category takes lots of space, then you can go into these categories and you should be able to find these files and you can perhaps get rid of something. You can also tap on clear button in here in order to check for cache files, obsolete files, packages and residuals, and you can actually tap on these options in order to find out what exactly you can clear and remove from your phone, and you can uncheck something if you don't want to get rid of something that is listed over here, and you can clean up by using this button over here quite easily. And there we go. You might also see some additional suggestions over here after cleaning the phone that you might want to use in order to get even more space back. There is also deep clean option in here, so you can use that too. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.